Okay. You're rolling again,
Back
son.
on. Nice voice there.
Come on, I want to show you this. So, son, this is what I'm talking about. See the tree? It's literally leaning into the cedar. So it could go back into the cedar or it could go out here. My undercut is facing side hill, but I went in and I just opened a little bit up on that bottom side so that when I bring my wood in, I'm gonna bring my wood in even. See? You guys see what I'm talking about? Right, like that. Hogan will film me.
Leaning back and see. And there it goes. Did it break off there?
Oh yeah, broke right off. Look.
Went where you needed to go though.
That's why it broke off. No holding
Piece of
wood.
rot.
So if I had went above that, but it didn't matter to me. I just needed it out of the cedar.
Yeah, deadly.
Look at that. Good.
That's a lot of wood.
So if I had a cut up here, that probably would have held right on.
So this is a bit of an interesting scenario. We got barbed wire down there, as you can see. It's probably all the way around the tree. It's a codom, but it's grafted together, and it's leaning back.
Grab your dull bar. I want to show these folks something. Friends, I want you to watch something.
Good one.
You had a good view of that?
Yeah.
Good.
Sweet. Should I show him the stump there?
Yeah, I would like you to.
Here, I'll go start limbing. You can show him what's up.
Okay, friends, so 2 trees. Thank goodness they were grafted going sideways like this. God's working with us here. You see this graft? See that right there? That was all grafted and they were limb bound together like nobody's business. So, but being that it was this way, right? This way is what you want. So you can send them that way because you couldn't have gone that way with it, if you know what I mean. Like that way wouldn't have worked, but this way does when they're side by side. Okay. We'll go limb these out. It's gonna only take us a half an hour. I'll take one, you take one, Sonny.
20 minutes. 20 freaking minutes that took us. Are they pulling the stumps out?
You'll need a bit of a higher stump. Hey, you nailed it, buddy. I couldn't stay out of there, friends. I had to get in there and bash it. Caleb the Axe Addict, how are you, brother? Ganji's is gonna set himself a wedge. Nice job, bud. Nice job. Okay, so Ganji's just got that one down. Looks good. Bucket's gonna get this one. We got a little different situation here. Heavy, hard, bone lean to the house, which is right up there. Good sized tree. The cedar's looking not bad down here, though. That tells me I should be good. Little bit of a lean. This way I'm shooting it down the old gully there. That's a front tree. Good job, kid.
Cheers.
Okay.
I had a little piece of wood here.
Yes, you did.
It was holding me up.
I saw that. You're just not used to grabbing once you go around, like once you did a wonderful job on your cuts, by the way.
Thank you.
But you're just not used to once you get around on your back cut. You know, when you come around here and you see your power saw.
Yeah.
See.
Yeah.
So you go like this. You come around. You go. Okay, good. That's gonna pull. So here's what to do.
That's where I ended up having a little piece of wood was right there.
That's right. So
And
look
I
at
cut it
this.
off.
See that? You came like this. You did that from over here. See?
Yeah.
See that?
As it was going over, I was like, what? It's
Yeah.
not going.
So, but that's cedar. Forget
So I
it.
knew I
Okay.
must have had a
So
piece
what's
there.
nice to do? What's nice to do if you're not sure and you just want to be clean? Just pull back. You know either. Just pull back and go. Whoop, right. Whoop.
Okay.
Just in there. Or come out. Go in. And just sight up and just get this piece right here.
Yeah.
This is the piece that guys
That's
miss.
what I did at Brett. So
Exactly. One hell of a job, young man. But a little bit more to the left would have been primo.
Yeah. Over there towards that. It's not leaning back, it's leaning down. Looking on the side angle. Call that There's a nice old growth, good 6-footer, and we don't want to smash into that. It's hanging out right into our lay, so we gotta kind of gun it over here. That was a good shot on that one.
Yeah, I wanted it high,
Good.
hey buddy?
Yeah. Didn't want to hit that big cedar.
It pulls. Cedar pulls wood like mad.
That was that should be the new intro.
Yeah.
That was a good shot.
I needed that to stick on high. So see what cedar does, friends?
Look at that.
So if that was hardwood or
That's
fir,
6 inches of wood.
look at that seam.
That's 6 inches right there.
Oh, easy, easy. But see how nicely it came over? No breakage, no barbature.
Yeah.
Cedar breaks wood. And I needed it to high hang, Sonny. I needed it to hang high.
Yeah.
Because our home is there. Okay, shut her down.
Cool.
Nice looking cedar.
It is. I was saying if that one looked anything like the one next to it, there'd be some good wood in there.
Lovely. So you got her shut down?
Yep. We got this. It's kind of a weird tree. It's got side lean, but it's also leaning back that way pretty good, so shouldn't be too tricky of one.
I would actually, to be honest, son, I would think about using from there to here. Make one from here in, just make one. Then if you have to come over here and just add this little flare in, then you make it as a separate undercut. That's what this thing says to me.
Ah.
That tree's rotten.
My shot.
See, this is where a guy, if he hasn't been in a lot of rotten cedar.
Yeah, that was weird. I got pinched a couple times.
Yes, you did. And it was because you went to your low side and you started working on your low side. And the tree was, that's why I asked you, what does it feel like over there in the tree? And it's all this. So what happened is you got pinched in your low side because it's fertilizer.
Yeah.
So people,
it's different.
Yeah, it's
different cutting.
Pretty neat, eh?
Yeah. All right, friends. So I just got pinched a couple times and looked awesome. We got the last tree here. It's leaning over the house, leaning towards everything over there. So yeah, as you can see, there's a house in that. You can see it's leaning, all the limbs are over there. It's probably rotten just like this one. So this is the last tree on this job. It's leaning, and over there's the house and all that, so it's probably rotten too, just like that one. Yeah. It's been a dang fun job, I tell you that. side lean. Nice. Nice shot. That's a gooder.
How do we have this? One's in deeper, right? Like, oh, faithful with me today. What, Ganges, what have you got on your head?
Oh, check this thing out. Matches my saw.
What are you talking about, man?
Well, I mean, that's, my saw is not a
What?
120, but don't see one of these every day.
Where'd you get that?
From a fellow named Steve.
That is very
Crazy
correct.
guy
And
named
I
Steve.
see you're running the Oregon Logger.
These were also from Steve.
Yes, they
Fresh
were.
out of 1980, maybe?
Friends.
1970s, late 70s?
Late 70s, early 80s, those Oregon suspenders. Look at
And
those.
this hat.
Yeah.
Because that's period correct for when this saw came out. It says 120 or 130 or whatever it is.
It does.
It has a
says
model number.
120,
So
I think.
whenever that saw came out is when this stuff is about
Sachs
from.
Dalmar.
I'm liking the Dalmar.
The Dalmar's a great saw. Friends,
Kinda
listen.
heavy
Thanks
what we're
for.
doing, but
Yeah, but you hang them off. Hang them off your arms like an ape.
nice for lemon.
Just hang them off there.
Having the extra power for lemon, just whack.
They're nice. Well, we had that little race. Did you see that little race? That's a 90cc saw. His 90,
And the Iron Horse saw kept right up to it.
right beside it.
20 cc's less.
And both full house. Mine was a grind, mind you, but still, you had 20 cc's more than me
on you.
in a saw like that. Friends,
And just a muffler mod to
the Iron
Dalmar.
Horse,
There's-
he builds power. Hey, there's the boss. We better go.
Look like you're doing something.
Come on down. We'll go have a look. So, oh, there's the Finalizing. So I'm doing my fueling up my gas here at the thing here. And we're at the co-op. We come here, we get gas all the time. This is where we fuel up. The Royal Order of the Moose Hall. This is where Danny McGiffin's wedding was, or funeral, pardon me. It's kind of interesting out. It's I haven't been out much, friends. It's interesting, but this is what really made me feel super good inside. Just look at this. I'm at the gas pump here. Okay, this is where I'm at, and look, they have their notice right about everything. And look at this. And remember to be kind to one another. Stay safe and remember to be kind to one another. It's working, friends. It's working. That's new information for a warning letter. Let's keep it up.